Hello guys, in this episode I am going to be mounting some coilovers on the car, finally. So now the car will be stiffer and hopefully lower. I have not bought new ones, I bought some used, of course, to save money. So this is AP, I don't know if you heard of it, but anyways, these are used AF. These have been used for 2 years, so they're kind of rusty and they do not look too good. Hopefully I can get this loose so I can actually adjust them to the right height I want to. And here you see what's in the back with adjustments here. And soon I'm going to mount, not coilovers, soon I'm going to mount angel eyes on the car, because most of you guys voted on angel eyes, so that's what I'm gonna do, and maybe yellow tint later. I don't know, I have tried yellow tint before. It looks really cool with the retro look, but you guys voted on angel eyes, or most of you guys voted angel eyes, so that's what I'm gonna try out first. And if I like it, I will keep it. If I don't like it, I will not keep it. But I will check it out. Maybe it looks good, I don't know. But first, coilovers. Maybe this takes a lot longer than I think, so we don't have the time for angel eyes today, but maybe. Let's begin on mounting the coilovers. First we're gonna loosen these 2 bolts right here, and then a bolt which is there. It's a nut on each side, and then we're gonna take the top bolts. So yeah, now I'm just gonna jack up the car, open the hood, and begin. So yeah, I am really excited to get the car a lot stiffer than it is now, because then it's easier to drift and do burnouts with, and in general better to drive, because now it's really soft. So yeah, let's just begin. Okay, first bolt is this. Oj! Fuck. Nej, helt sjukt faktiskt. Now that sucker is out. So that was right here. Now it's the 2 bolts down low, the one right there, and on the other side, right there, down here. And then after we have done that, then we can take these 3 bolts. That's 1. $13mm, so let's go. Finally, it's out. It took a little bit longer than expected. We met some few challenges, like hard bolts, but we managed to get those loose, and getting this loose like this was also a really big challenge. Whew. The original coilover or spring and strut bar or shock or whatever is out, so this is all loose. So now it's time to mount these bad boys, and I will not adjust them, I will just mount them and maybe adjust later. But yeah, now it's time to mount. Let's see how this goes, and hope we do not run into some challenges. That would not be nice. Yeah, let's go. Tighten those top bolts right here, those three, and those are 13 millimeters. So the coilover are kind of not mounted, but it's in. So now we will spin that. This will go that and this, and we will need to mount that and that between here and there, which the bolt is going to go. So I will actually put one extra washer there, so it will kind of space out here in the bottom. So that will give me a little bit more chamber. So I have bought some extra washers. So we're gonna put one in the bottom, and hopefully that will make it a little bit more chamber. So it could be looking a little bit cool, I hope. So let's try and see if it works. One coil.
Før vi hørte Umbrella Mary. En jente i lav posisjon på jobb. De utro.
We are now done on both sides. My hand is pretty messy, but it's okay. Now it's a little bit lower here, and I have also mounted it on the other side, and I have not adjusted them yet. I think they're kind of rusty, so I'm gonna save that for another day, but I just want it to be stiffer. So here it is on the other side as well, and I told you about these washers right here. These are M12s. So as you see, I have put those right there. You see the little washer. That's not original, the one down there. So yeah, if you want some extra chamber in the front, that's what you can do. Now it's just to take the wheel on again, and I do not have the time for the rear today. I will do that later, but yeah. Now I have coilovers in the front. So we like that. It's plenty more to go as well, so it can get a little bit lower. Yeah, now we are done. Now I'm done with mounting the coilovers in the front, so now it's just the back that's left. I'll do that later, as I said, and yeah. Hopefully it's a lot stiffer now. And I also have some crappy tires in the back, as you see. That's because it's not too long. It's until the drift event I have been talking about. It's maybe 1 week now, I don't know. So it's the 15th. So I'm very much looking forward to going on that event. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this episode, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.